Ever wondered who the highest paid state employee in Idaho is, or what the pay ranges, workforce trends, and tenure data look like across state agencies? Transparent Idaho has all the answers. Let's dive into the workforce and salary page, where you'll find everything from employee pay rates to agency workforce trends. Once you're here, you'll see a collection of curated reports showcasing state workforce data. You can dig into any pay range data, view employee tenure reports, and even see detailed workforce counts for every agency. Curious about how roles have changed over time? You can explore historical employee work assignments too. Looking ahead, check out the projected workforce retirement trend reports to see what the future might hold for Idaho's state agencies. Transparent Idaho puts it all in one place, accessible, transparent, and easy to explore.
Thanks for tuning in to our transparency tutorial. If you'd like to learn about Transparent Idaho, please visit our site at transparent.idaho.gov. And don't forget to follow us on social media and YouTube for more information on government transparency.